In this video, the Shed Project series, we are going to go ahead and create the elevation sheet for your shed. So the first thing we're going to want to do is switch to our east elevation. So in the project browser, I'm going to go navigate there and double click it. And in the east elevation, we need to edit some visibility and graphics because the trees and the shrubs are in the way. So I'm going to go ahead and scroll down in the properties. For visibility and graphics, I'm going to click edit, and I'm going to uncheck two things this time. I'm going to uncheck planting, which we've done before, and I'm also going to uncheck the topography. So I'm going to uncheck that, and then I'm going to hit apply and OK. And then I'm going to change the scale. This time it's going to be 3/16 of an inch equals a foot. Hit apply. And then what we need to do is adjust these lines for the various levels. They're super far outside here and it's not going to fit on our sheet. So I'm going to start with the roof. I'm just going to left click it. I'm going to grab this dot right here and just left click and drag it in somewhere close proximity to the left edge there of the shed. You'll notice it also automatically brought the level 1 with it. So now I can zoom in a little bit. And this time I'm going to grab this side. I'm going to hover over. There's a little dot right there. I'm just going to click and drag that in over. I don't want the text to run into the shed, so just about there. And then now that looks good. And you're going to have to repeat those exact same steps for the north, south, and west. I'm going to do one more with you, and then I'll pause the video. I'll go do my other two while you do yours as well. So let's go ahead and go into the north and let's just repeat exactly what we just did. So the first thing I did was I went into the visibility and graphics, edit that, and I turned off planting and topography. Planting and topography, apply, OK. I changed the scale. We said to 3/16 of an inch equals a foot. And then I grabbed the left side over here and I dragged that in for my levels. Then I did the same thing on the right, and I dragged that in just right about there. And then now that one's good. So repeat again for the remaining two. Now I noticed that when I went to the other two, it automatically brought in my levels for me. I just had to edit the graphics and change the scale, so that was kind of nice, a little bit less work. So now I got all 4 of mine done. I repeated that 4 times. And now we're ready to create the elevation sheet. So I'm going to go click on my A104 elevations, and then I'm going to scroll back up, and then we're simply going to do what we've done before, and that's dragging and dropping. So I'm going to start with the east, bring that in, then I'm going to go with my north, bring that in. Notice how that dotted line popped up, so you can help align those. Bring in the south. Again, you see the alignment there, which is kind of nice, keeps everything nice and neat. Bring in the west. And again, I got my 2 alignment tools there popping up as I move my mouse. Left click and bring that one in. And now I have all my elevations. You can go ahead and save. And I will see you in the next video for the site plan sheet.